In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ClickUp Docs. To get started, open ClickUp and look over to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your workspace. Click on Docs to open the Docs area. If you're new to this section, think of it as a space where you can create notes, plans, internal guides, project documents, and other written content that stays organized inside ClickUp. Once you're in the Docs area, move to the upper right corner and click New. This will begin the process of creating a brand new document. If you have multiple documents already, this is the main button you'll use anytime you want to add another one. After the new document opens, you'll usually see a default title, such as Untitled. Click directly on that title and type in the name you want for your doc. It's a good idea to choose a clear, specific name so the document is easy to recognize later, especially if you're creating several docs for different projects or teams. Next, choose how you want to begin. ClickUp gives you a few options here, including Start Writing, Blank Wiki, or Write with AI. Start Writing is useful when you simply want to jump in and begin typing right away. Blank Wiki can be helpful if you're building a more structured knowledge page. Write with AI is an option if you want help generating content or getting a first draft started. Pick the option that best matches the type of document you want to create. Once you've chosen your starting point, click inside the page and begin typing your content. This is where you can add your notes, ideas, instructions, or any other information you want to include. Keep your content clear and organized so it's easier to read and update later. If needed, you can also add content blocks to make the document more useful and visually structured. Depending on what you're building, you can insert a table, a column layout, a ClickUp list, or a subpage. These blocks are especially helpful when you want to organize information into sections, display tasks alongside written content, or build out a larger document with multiple layers. If your doc needs more than one page, go to the upper left corner and click Add Page. This allows you to expand the document without cramming everything into a single page, which is great for longer resources or documents with separate sections. When you're finished, there's no need to look for a Save button. Your changes will save automatically, so your work stays updated as you go. Thanks for watching.